Okay guys, this is the solution of your homework, arithmetic sequence and series homework ya. For number 3, we have the first term of the arithmetic sequence is 12, so A equals to 12. And then the second term is 36, U7 equals to 36. From the U7, we can find the difference, okay? So let's put the formula for U7, A plus N minus 1 times the difference. The difference will be B, yeah, equals to 36. And then I can put the A, 12 plus N is 7 minus 1 times B equals to 36. And then 6B will be 36 minus 12 is 24. So B is equals to 4. Okay, because we already know the difference, so the common difference will be 4. And then for the second one, how many terms are there? How many terms? We can use UN. UN is A plus N minus 1 times difference equals to 144. And then after that I can put the A is 12, and then plus N minus 1 we don't know yet, and then B is 4 equals to 144. After that I can use algebra, plus 4N minus 4 equals to 144. After that 12 minus 4 is 8, plus 4N equals to 144, and then 4N equals to 136, and will be 34 ya. So there are 34 terms. Okay, next is number 5. For number 5 we have UK. UK is like UN ya, but the N is changed into K. So write down the first three terms. So the question wants us to find U1, U2, and U3. Okay, let's change the K into 1. So it will be 14 plus 2 times 1 equals to 16. For the second one is 14 plus 2 times 2 equals to 18. The third one will be 14 plus 2 times 3 equals to 20. From this, write down the first three terms. Okay, this one is the answer for I. And then the answer for II is the sum. So it will be sum of 12 terms, S12. S12 equals to N over 2 times A plus N minus 1 times difference ya. So it will be 12 over 2 times A. The A will be the first term, which is 16. 16 plus N is 12 minus 1 times B. The difference between 16 and 18 will be 2. 18 and 20 is also 2 times 2. And then the result will be 6 times 16 plus 11, 22, 38 times 6. 38 times 6 equals to 228. So the second answer will be 220. Next is number 7. Number 7, the fifth term of arithmetic is 28. So it will be U5 equals to 28. And then the 10th term is U10 equals to 58. For the U5, the formula will be A plus N minus 1, which is 4, times B equals to 28. For the U10, the formula will be A plus 10 minus 1 is 9, times B equals to 58. We can use elimination method to find the A and the B. And then this one, minus it, it will be 5B equals to 30. So B will be 6 and A will be 24, 4 ya. Okay, so I got 4 and 6 for the first term. The first term will be 4 and the difference will be 6. Next is the sum of all terms. In this progression is 4, 4, 4 ya. So the second information is the sum. The sum will be Sn. Sn equals to N over 2 times A plus N minus 1 times difference ya. So the question is how many terms? Okay, let's put 444 as the Sn equals to N over 2, we don't know yet. A is 4 plus N minus 1 times the difference. The difference is 6. So 444 equals to n over 2 times 4 plus 6n minus 6. It will be 444 equals to n over 2 times 6n minus 2. We can multiply the n minus n over 2 inside the brackets, equals to 6n 3n square minus n, ya. Okay, after that you have to move the 444 to the right side, minus 444, and then because we have square, we have to factorize it. Okay, this one will be hard to factorize 444, ya. Okay, so the factorization will be like this. Therefore, I will have n equals to 37 over 3, and then for this one n equals to 12. Okay, I will choose 12 because the number of terms should be integers. It cannot be fraction. So n equals to 12. And then number 9. For number 9, I will have the sum of all of the odd numbers. The odd numbers between 50 and 150. The thing you should know is when the question give us between, yeah, that means 50 and 150 is not involved. So let's start odd numbers, yeah. Odd numbers, let's start from 51, and then the next odd numbers will be 53 and then 55 until you got 149. After that, I can tell that the A is 51, and the difference will be 53 minus 51, it's 2. And for this one, it is un, ya. Un equals to a plus n minus 1 times difference. From this, we will have the n, the number of terms. Okay, let's try to find the number of terms. 149 equals to a is 51, plus we don't know the n yet, and then b is 2. And then 149 equals to 51 minus 2 equals to 49 plus 2n, ya. And then 100 equals to 2n, n equals to 50. After I get the n equals to 50, the question wants us to find the sum. The sum, that means you have to find the sum of 50 terms. N over 2 times a plus n minus 1 times the difference. So n equals to 50 over 2 times a, 51, plus n minus 1 is 49, times the difference is 2. The result is 3725, guys. So this one is 3725. Next is 9ii. For 9ii is the same, even numbers, yeah. Now it's even numbers and 50 and 150 inclusive. So 50 will be involved, 52, after that 150. Like the previous numbers, we can tell that the a equals to 50, and then the difference will be 2, and then the un equals to 150. The formula for un is a plus n minus 1 times difference equals to 150. The a is 50 plus n minus 1, we don't know yet, times 2 equals to 150. And then for this one is 2n plus 48 equals to 150. 2n equals to 102, ya, 102. So n will be 51. After that, we have to find the sum. So the sum of all numbers will be Sn as 51 equals to n over 2, 51 over 2 times a is 50, plus n minus 1, 51 minus 1 times the difference. The difference is 2, yeah. Wait a minute, let me erase this first. Okay, so after we got n equals to 51, we can find the S51, yeah. Equals to 51 divided by 2 times 50 plus 4, 50 times 2. Okay, 3825. 3825. Okay, next is 9ii. 9ii. For 9ii, find the sum of the term of the arithmetic sequence with the first term. The first term is already given, is 50. So the common difference is b equals to 1. And there are n equals to 101 terms. The sum as 101 equals to n over 2 times a. A is 50. And then 101 minus 1 and minus 1 times the difference is 1. So the result is 50 plus 100. 75. 75. 75. So what is the relationship between II and II? What is the result? The relationship. What is it, yeah? So I got this relationship, yeah, when we add 3725 and 3825, I will get 7550. That means the result of the third, the result of III is the result of I plus II and then plus 25, yeah. Or maybe when III minus 25, it will be the sum of the first and the second. Okay, this is the relationship. That is for our homework. Our last week homework is already done. I hope you can understand it well. If you don't understand, you can ask me directly, yeah. Thank you, bye bye.